Hey guys, I'm back again with another beginner friendly tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to DIY your boss braid. The easiest way you can actually make a DIY braid. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys. And I'm going to be giving you tips on how to make it easy for you. How to make it easy for you to make your braids yourself. I actually made this braid on my 40th birthday, which was just last week on the 12th of September. And it came out really beautiful. With the coils on the end of the braid, it makes the braids to that. And you need to see me on my birthday. I was take out. Look at me. I look so gorgeous with those coils at the end of the braid, and the way I wrap the braid, it looks so beautiful. So if you want to braid your hair yourself, just keep watching. I was about to start braiding the hair when I realized that it was actually time to pick my son from school. So I'm just running to the school now, grab him, come back, and then I'll continue the braiding. After picking my son, I went to buy extension. I went to this shop and I saw this extension. I've not seen this color before. Let me know in the comment section below if you've seen color 12 before on Xpression. The color is very nice, and I think if you miss this color 12 and another color I saw for the first time is color 24. The colors are really nice. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix the color, and you guys should tell me if the color came out nice. But looking at it as a stylist, I think this is really going to come out very nice. So this is color 24 and this is color 12. I've not seen it before. I went to the shop and I was like, these colors are nice. Are they new? And the guy said yes, that is new colors from Xpression, and I'm going to use it to braid my hair, and let's see how it comes out. But to me, I think it's going to come out very nice. But just leave a comment in the comment section below if you like it, if you would like to try it. Xpression, well done. You guys are doing good. Just pay attention to this boat color. See how beautiful it came out. It came out really beautiful. I actually started the video from the I've braided halfway. I don't want the video to be too long, but see the way I cut that part. You could see how easy it is with just one cutting. The pattern is actually straight. So while I'm trying to do the next braid, I'm going to explain to you why it was easy for me to cut the braid once. And if you pay attention, you will see that after cutting it, I used gel to slip the other hair backward, because I don't want whereby while I'm braiding, the other hair will just be coming going into the braid and then maybe interrupt with the parts I already made. So that's the reason why I prefer to use gel to lay the ones that I'm not going to braid. But some people normally use clip, but when I use clip, the braiding extension just keep hooking the clips, and I don't like it. It just slow the work for me. So I prefer to use gel to lay it backward while I braid further. And also to make you know that while you're braiding your hair yourself, if you want to DIY your braids, once you want to grip it the first time, you can pass your hand through the back just like I did the first time. But when you want to keep braiding downward, you won't be able to braid downward from your hand at the back, one of your hand at the back. You won't be able to braid downward. So what you do after braiding from the root, after picking the root and braiding it a little bit from the root, you pass your both hands forward. That's exactly what I'm doing now. What I'm doing right now, that's what I'm trying to explain. So you pass your both hand forward for you to be able to enable you to braid downward, if you understand what I am saying. So I made a video the other time how to add coily hair to your braids, and a lot of people spoke about I cannot put my extension in my lips. Yeah, if you cannot use your lips to hold your extension, maybe you'll need to use clip. But one thing I know is that when you use clip, the clip keeps falling off. So let's leave that and move to why I actually cornrow my hair this way. So cornrowing your hair the way you actually want to braid, the size, it makes it very easy for you to make your DIY braids. I'm not joking. It makes it very easy. So what I normally do after cornrowing this way, I just put gel at the top and then put gel at the bottom as well, just to make sure. The first braid I made, I told you that it was easy for me to cut, to make a straight part. So with this method, you'll be able to make a straight part. Once you put your comb, your cotton comb on the hair, you'll be able to make a straight cut at one go, like you wouldn't need to struggle. It took me time for me to learn this when I do my braids myself. So with this, you could see just one cut, you could see that the pattern is straight. So that's because I actually apply gel at the front of the hair and at the back, so the hair adds gel and it is easy. Once you put the comb on your hair, you just press it downward and then just cut it straight and it just come out straight. If you guys understand, you know, I will always say I'm not good at explaining, but just pay attention to what I'm doing. So you can see that after cutting it, I use gel to lay the other hair backward, just like I said previously. Once you do that, it's easier for you to braid the part of hair that you want to braid, instead of allowing the hair to fly. When you're braiding the one you want to braid, you might mistakenly like maybe pinch some of the ones you didn't cut, and with that it will just interrupt the clean part you've just made. If you guys understand me, please pay attention to what I am doing. I think when you pay attention to my hands, it will be easier for you guys. Yeah, so that's the best way I actually like to set my braids, my hair, when I'm actually braiding my hair myself. I know some people use clip, but just like I said previously, the clip, sometimes my attachment, the extension will be hooking the clip, and sometimes it doesn't go well with me, so I prefer to use the gel. But if you think you prefer the clip, why not go for it? But I prefer to just use gel to lay the rest of it downward. So while I'm braiding further, if you don't know how to grip your braid from the roots at all, you've never braided before, I'll be linking a video in the description section or on the screen where you can actually watch the DIY video I made on how to grip your braid yourself. It was easy, very, very easy. So if you've never braid before, I will strongly advise that you watch that video so you can actually have an idea on how to pick the braid from the roots. Yeah. So just like I explained a little while ago, while you're braiding the bottom, just braid. Once you braid a little bit forward, then move that hand from the back to the front, just like I have just done now, and then you will easily be able to braid downward. And what this will enable you to do is that you're braiding, it will become easy for you to braid downward, and also you'll be able to hide your natural hair into the extension, if you guys understand what I am saying. Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you think you've gotten a tip or two from this video. Please don't hesitate to do that. And if you see my pretty face for the very first time, please don't hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my tutorials, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for you not to miss any of my videos. So this is the last part of the braid that I'm braiding right now. So just like I said, now I've used the gel to make sure I put it together, so I know that I'm picking all the hair around that area. This hair actually came out really beautiful. Seriously, it came out super, super beautiful. For a DIY this neat, oh my gosh, it came out really, really beautiful. And with the coils on the ends of the braid, oh my god, it makes the braid really stood out. I was glad that at the end of it, I decided to put coils on the end of the braid, because at first I actually just want to make a sharp tips, but at the end of the braids, when I decided to put the coils at the end of the braid, I was actually glad that I did that, because when I was styling my hair for my birthday photos and the outing, the style just came out. The coils that is dropping on the front, it was really beautiful. It just makes me look like, yes, you don't need to ask who is the celebrant. The celebrant is right in front of you. So that was how the braid made me feel. And this mist color, this color 12 and color 24, is a banger. The mist color is really, really beautiful. I remember seeing a video on Instagram and then exactly this color, and I actually sent the braider a message, what color do you use? But the braider did not tell me. And I noticed that a lot of people also send a message as well asking what color the braider used, and the braider did not say anything, did not mention the color. So if you want to get this particular banger color, please go get yourself an Xpression color 12 and color 24, mix it together and you will get this beautiful color. It was really beautiful. The compliment I got from this braid, it's mind-blowing. No, anyone that I actually told that I braid the hair myself, they were just screaming, how did you do this? How can you do it? So like I was saying previously, if you know you can use your leaves to hold your braid, most especially when your braid is long, please use your leaves. It helps, it makes it easy. But if you cannot, you can get a clip and then clip it on your head and braid further. It's just that I know that it will keep dripping out, and it keep dripping out to just slow the braiding down. But this came out really beautiful. Look at that braids, look at the color, beautiful. Seriously, this is long. This is very, very long, and I don't really like my braid to be this long, so I'm definitely going to either trim it off, or maybe put curls on the tip to reduce the length. This is quite long. I can't carry this. I can't do this. It's too long. So I ended up adding coils to the ends of the braid, and it came out really, really beautiful. Just look at how gorgeous it is. I believe by now you should know how to make your DIY box braid yourself. Please, if you've not hit on the subscribe button, please hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment before leaving. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.